You want to replace the earpads on your HyperX Cloud 3. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. By the way, the earpads you will see today will fit several other HyperX Cloud models. For a full list, you will see it on the screen right now or in the description below. So let's start the video. Okay, let's start. So as I said, this method is going to apply to all the HyperX models that I've mentioned before. And I will warn you, some people find it very difficult to replace the HyperX Cloud earpads, but trust me, just follow the steps and don't be afraid to stretch the earpad. You'll understand later what I mean, but do not be afraid to stretch it. Now let's remove the old earpad. Simply going to pull it out like this. All right, now the way that these earpads install is by this backside lip that you see right here, going into the gap. I'll try to get a good look for you guys. Going into this gap right here that's on the headphone cup. Now the reason that most people have a hard time replacing HyperX earpads is because the gap is a little narrow, so it makes it quite difficult to install. I am going to make it look easy because I've done it over 100 times already, but trust me, just follow the steps and it's gonna work. So for this video today, I'm gonna be using our Wicked Cushions earpads. If you wanna hear more about them, stay to the end of this video and I will show you some of the earpads that we have. So on first look, it seems like the earpads that we have are too small. But as I said, don't be afraid to stretch the earpad. You are going to stretch the lip to fit inside this gap. And I'll show you how it's done. So usually I start from the top side, not exactly the top, but the side, a little bit right here. It's not a corner because this is an oval shape, but if it was a corner, that you know what I mean. So I start by inserting it to the top side, and then with my free hand, I'm just gonna grab the part that's already in, and I'm not gonna let go. And with my other hand, I'm going to put the index finger inside the cushion and simply stretch it like this. As soon as I stretched more surface into the gap, I'm going to hold it again with that finger, and then I'm going to move my hand and replace that finger so I can continue stretching the earpad. All right, I'll move the cable, and then I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna stretch the earpad. You can be very aggressive with it because trust me, nothing will happen to it. And then again, stretching it, and that's pretty much it. The whole earpad is inside. Once it's inside, you want to give it a slight shuffle back and forth by holding the earpad from here. Slight back and forth shuffle is going to put the lip more tightly inside. And now we'll do the other side. Again, I'm gonna put the lip from the side, top side, and I am going to stretch it. You see, I'm being very aggressive with the earpads. They are extremely durable. And the design that you see right here is the 90s black that we have. And that is it. You have successfully replaced the earpads. Again, I'll try to do another shuffle. And you have replaced the earpads. Now, our Wicked Cushions earpads, as you've seen, these are our 90s black. And we also have our classic red camo that really fits well with the HyperX and our Cooling Gel version. And this is the HyperX original. So I'll just show you some of the differences. They are, right now with the HyperX Cloud 3, since they made the HyperX Cloud 3 thicker, they are sort of the same thickness. However, the build is different. There is an inner wall to the earpad that still makes that thickness distance your ear from the drivers, which will not let your ears touch the inside drivers, which some people have that problem with the original earpad. The ear opening is slightly the same, and with our cooling gel is of course a cooling gel layer at the top, a cooling gel layer on the inside of the ear pad, and the sides are made with PU leather and the top is made with fabric. If you want to try these out, simply click the link at the top right corner right now or in the description below. And let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.